148 kgs 3 years back, and today I am 98 kgs. If I can reduce, so can you reduce, friends. All it needs is determination, will. Good morning. We are meeting at 6 o'clock. Good that you have come. I'll also put on my shoes. Everything is ready. And we'll go for a little activity today. It is going to be a little hard activity, an outdoor activity with it is going to be a strenuous one, and the idea is to burn some calories, the excessive calories. Remember, the idea of losing weight is nothing but calories. It is just how many calories you eat and how many calories you burn and how many calories you retain, or how many less calories you retain, so that you can burn the rest in between. So, Chale, come, let's go. Well, here we are, friends, right into the lap of nature, and you can hear there is some temple or something. Also, you can hear some voices in the background. So let's go for this walk, and believe me, it is a walk that is downhill now. And as we walk, let's walk a little brisk, so that we start exercising, we start losing the calories, we start burning the calories. And after the walk, oh, there are some people here in my outdoor kitchen or living room or drawing room or sitting room. Good. This is the place we'll also come back, and we'll make our special tea here today. Now going down the stairs, there we are. Have a look at that. Have a look at that river. Really going well, isn't it? And imagine the fury that this river is in. The fast flowing water, floods. This water is coming from hills, the mountains, and I forgot to mention, it had been raining till the morning today, and very heavily raining. So that is why the river is in floods. And as I go down, remember, I am walking fast also, not walking all that slow, walking fast. And as I go down, this is the base, this is the level 1, there's a platform here, and look at the view. There are mountains on the other side which you cannot see because of the thick clouds, the dense rain clouds, and it's going to rain again. That's the other end. Okay? The river flows through. What a sight, what a place, right into the lap of nature, isn't it? So let's go down, and as we go down, I'll take you right to the last step, but I've been told that the water has been rising, so we should not go right till the last step because there can be floods anytime, and the water has been rising from the last around half an hour, so it can be quite dicey because sudden floods can come in from the back. Now, the point of discussion, our activity, this is half the activity only. When you come down these steps, these are 70 steps, 70 steps, and imagine when you're going to go back. Look at the view from here, beautiful, isn't it? Look at this is the height of the steps, and that is the top. Where you see those trees, those two trees at the top, that is the ones in the center, that is the top. Now we'll start to go back. Now this is where we use the calories. And this is a place where I often come and I go for meditation. Where this person is sitting, I generally sit here, meditate. I go in for light exercises. I go in for sometimes even a small swim or a bath if the water is clear, but not in this muddy water of the floods. And this place is not inhabited by very many people. It's very, you find very few people here. So now when we go back, imagine the climb. 70 steps is not easy. And I do this routine twice, not once. I do it twice. And it is when I do it twice, that is a time when I really, sweat, and I really want my body is screaming for a rest. So here we are at the top. This is the bench, and this is my little kitchen, the outdoor kitchen, and let's make our specialty here. Well, friends, this is corn, and you see these fibers, the hairs of the corn, these are known as corn silk. We'll be making tea from this. We'll be adding ginger to it. We'll be adding lemon to it if you wish. This is all optional. And we'll be adding cinnamon to it. And we'll be adding soft powder to it. Okay. Or aniseed powder to it. Okay. Now this is all option. There are people who just boil corn silk with water and have it straight. That is also is okay. There are some people, they will add sugar to it or honey to it. That is also okay. It's all up to you. But this is the combination that I use because ginger, cinnamon and aniseed powder are known as they help you digest, they help you cut down the fat, and they are detox agents also. So this is the healthy part of this whole tea. Let's start. Since it was wet today, so I have got the fuel, and that is paper fuel. I did collect a few twigs here, some branches, but they were very wet, so I put them along with the paper fuel. Now the water has already been added, all the ingredients have been added, the fire as well, and it's already been cooking. And water is 2 times, remember, water is 2 times the quantity that we want. So we wanted 2 glasses here, we wanted 1 glass or 2 cups we wanted, so we added 4 cups of water. So this, after some time, when the water reduces to half, we'll take off the pan, serve, and look at this, that is the color of the tea. So we'll take off this pan once the tea is done. Remember friends, as I told you, this tea is very, very, very good for detox. Number 1, it is very good, it dissolves all your kidney stones. Number 2, it is very good for losing weight. Number 3, and along with other, it is very good for maintaining blood pressure and cholesterol. These are the medical advantages. You can have this drink straight, or you can add sugar as you wish, or you can add anything, any sweetener to it. That is up to you. But I do not add any sweetener because it is calories I want to lose. So why should I add more calories to it? Now that's it. The tea is almost done. This is the color of the tea. Have a look. This is the color of the tea, and I have saved, because I am cooking in a jungle, so I have saved a bottle of water that I am going to douse the fire with, because the jungle can catch fire. Even though it has been raining, everything is wet, the ground is wet, everything is wet, but look, that plastic bottle still has water, which I am going to throw over that. The metal bottle, I had carried mineral water. So this tea, the corn silk tea, I have made in mineral water. You can also add pepper also to it, by the way. There we are. That is the last remain. I am going to have my tea, and I am going to wait till the fire does not douse out completely. Whatever left, I'll douse it out with water. And friends, do enjoy this tea. Do make this tea if you wish to lose weight like me. And of course, I told you the other advantages also. This is the color of the tea that you must get. Well friends, let's live healthy, let's lose weight, and let's be more fitter in life. And till the time we meet again, is bye. Have a nice time. Bye.